everyone, my name is Envika and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and today I'm going to be making Snowman. And I plan to make more videos in the future. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll know when we post a new video. Now let's get started. Here's what we need. We need some juice bottles that look like this. We need some cotton balls, glue, and a brush to spread the glue out with, and some cutouts. This is with the nose, the eyes, the buttons, and these are the materials that you'll be using for the hat. Let's loosen up the cotton balls. Now let's spread the glue on the bottle. Once it's done, let's start sticking the cotton on the bottle. Now let's make the hat. So get some glue from the brush and put it on the side that you cut it out from, and do it on all of them. Now, when you're done doing that, put some glue on the end like I did, and then you stick it. Now when you're done doing that, you put the top of the hat right here. Now when you're done pressing it from the inside, there you go, you have a hat for your snowman. Now let's start sticking some eyes. Now let's put the nose on. Now let's put on some buttons. Here's our cute little snowman. Hope you like this video. See you all